Master English Skills 2024.
Lesson 30. Have I got a reservation?
Yes, you've got a reservation.
Reservation. Double room. Single room. Telephone. Suitcase. Bathroom. Television.
Note: remember to turn on subtitles to better understand the content.
Have I got a double room?
Yes, you've got a double room.
Have I got a single room?
Yes, you've got a single room.
Have I got a telephone?
Yes, you've got a telephone.
Have I got a suitcase?
Yes, you've got a suitcase.
Have I got a bathroom?
Yes, you've got a bathroom.
Have I got a television?
Yes, you've got a television. Yes, you've got a double room. Yes, you've got a single room. Yes, you've got a telephone. Yes, you've got a suitcase. Yes, you've got a bathroom. Yes, you've got a television.